po, wishing you all the best in life. First of all, just want to say how grateful I am sa pag-introduce sa akin, sa pag-introduce sa amin sa napakagandang opportunity na to. And also thankful sa patuloy na pag-guide, pagtuturo at pag-a-assist sa amin dito. And also, with your guidance, looking forward sa success naming lahat, sa success nating lahat dito sa online business nating lahat. And also, looking forward also na magkita-kita na tayong lahat in person. So, see you po and happy birthday po again.
Happy birthday, Coach Brian. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong, suporta, encouragements mo, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa lahat ng onliners under Atomic Elijah International. One word to describe Coach Brian for me is relentless. You are an inspiration to all of us. Continue to lead us as we climb the ladder of success. Again, happy birthday and praying for the success of all Elijahans. See you all at the top!
Hi Coach! Happy birthday! Ayan, sa nag-iisang diary coach ko, mentor, and of course, my big bro. Ayan, kahit ako pa'y matanda sa'yo. Coach, thank you so much for everything. Salamat dahil ikaw yung binigay ni Lord sa amin. Especially you are the way na binigay ni Lord na nakilala namin si Hyperloop Online System. Taos puso po ako, Coach, nagpapasalamat for more than a year, Coach, na magkasama tayo, even though mas maraming oras yung virtual. But laging nafe-feel ko ang support mo kahit na malayo man tayo sa isa't isa. Wish ko lang, Coach, is God will grant all your heart desires and wish. I describe Coach Brian one word, ambitious. Why? Kung hindi ka naging ambisyoso, Coach, wala din kami dito. Kung hindi ka naging ambisyoso, Coach, wala yung Atomic Elijah International. Hindi mo na i-build yan dahil you're so ambitious na mapabago, hindi lang yung buhay mo, kundi ang buhay ng lahat ng andito. Ng buhay ng lahat na andito na paparating pa na makilala si Hyperloop Online System. Coach, thank you so much. Lagi ko lang dinadasal na ibigay lahat. Alam ko, deserve mo ang mga lahat ng mga nangyayari sa'yo. And you deserve more. Sa sobrang genuine ng heart mo na matulungan kami dito. Coach, ang mapapangako ko lang, hindi kita iiwan sa laban. See you sa tagumpay. Magkakasama tayo. God bless you, Coach, and happy birthday. Love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi Coach Bri! Before anything else po, I just want to greet you happy birthday. Siguro one thing to describe po sa life ni Coach is yung pagiging positive. Thankful ako na isa ka sa mga coaches ko na talagang gigil na mag-spread ng positivity through the platform. And super grateful po ako na isa po ako sa mga mentee na galing sa Atomic Elijah at mini-mentor niyo po. Lord, I pray na kayo po ay mabless sa birthday niyo. And also, I pray for longer years na makasama ka po namin. Hindi lang dito sa platform na to, kundi outside the platform as a family, our second family. Thank you for everything, Coach. Again, happy birthday po. God bless!
Hi, Coach Bri. Happy birthday. I hope you have a fantastic day and fantastic year to come. Describe ko kay Coach Bri, you're so fantastic. Bye!
Good morning! Happy birthday, Coach Bri. Wish you good health at wish you na sana lahat ng wishes you ay maging tagumpay. Well, see you soon, Coach and Coach Mariel. Again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Coach Brian. Happy na birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Coach Brian, I just want to thank the Lord for another year
that God has given in this day to be able to be used in God's kingdom and even in this platform that we are in. Hindi mo man ako direct endorser, but still, you have the heart to mentor me, to coach me, to teach me, to be able na lalo akong matuto at lalo pang lumago yung aking pag-share din sa business na ito. And I pray na patuloy kang i-bless ni God. God will bless you more and more together with Coach Mariel and to the rest sa darating na family niyo. And I just quote this verse for you na matatagpuan sa Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. And it says, if you want favor with God, and men, and a reputation for good judgment and common sense, then trust the Lord completely. Don't ever trust yourself. In everything you do, put God first, and He will direct you and crown your efforts with success. Once again, Coach Bri, happy birthday, and God bless us all.
Atomic Korea International, especially our mentor, birthday boy, Coach Brian Russell de Guzman. Hello, Coach. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you have a good health every day and keep going helping people na nangangarap. Yes. And best wishes with you and your wife, Coach Mariel. Alright? So, once again, happy birthday, Coach Brian. To God be the glory. God bless.
Hello, Coach Bri. I want to greet you a happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga itinuro mo sa amin, sa akin. Hope na madami pang blessing na darating sa iyo. And enjoy your day, Coach. And God bless.
Hello, Coach Bri. Hello po. Happy birthday. Hello, Coach Bri. Hello po. Coach Bri, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with whole family. Of course, with Coach Mariel. Coach, thank you for everything. Thank you for always connecting me. Kahit po nawala pa ako konti, lumaylo po ako ng konti lang din naman. Coach, thank you always to remind me, especially po sa mga advice nyo na ako talaga sa puso at na-appreciate ko po yun. Thank you po kasi hindi po kayo nagsasawa sa akin. Hopefully, wag po kayo magsawa sa akin. Kayo po ni Coach Mariel. I'm so grateful, thankful talaga po na kayo yung mentor ko. Wish ko lang, Coach, is stay healthy and God bless and more blessing to come. At sana po hindi po kayo magbago. Coach, once again, thank you so much and happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless po.
Hi, Coach Bri. Happy birthday to my incomparable coach at mentor at parang anak ko na rin. Happy birthday. You touch everyone's hearts, giving us hope to realize our dreams and to achieve our goals in this life-changing opportunity. Mahirap akong i-guide dahil sa aking edad, but you never left me. You didn't hesitate to carry me until right now. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the best things in life. First of all, your good health at sana ma-achieve mo lahat ang goals mo sa buhay. Together, we will win as one. See you at the top. God bless you, Coach. Again, happy birthday.
Hello po, Sir Brian. This is Abigail, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday and have a blessed birthday. And I want to wish you also to have good health, more success to your career, and sana po is marami po akong matutunan regarding po sa ating business. So, yun lang po. Happy birthday and God bless. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone sa lahat ng mga coaches and partners na nandito, and good morning sa lahat sa lupalop man kayo ng mundo, and most especially to our very handsome and humble founder of Atomic Elijah International, no other than Mr. Brian Russell Ubaldo de Guzman. Coach, good morning, happy birthday po, and my birthday wish po sa inyo is wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful memories. May the year ahead bring you endless happiness, success, and all the love your heart can hold. You deserve all the best today and always enjoy every moment of your special day. Once again, Coach, happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Coach Bry. I'm happy to thank you for being supportive and very approachable leader. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to celebrate. Happy birthday, Coach Bry.
Kung i-describe ko si Coach Brian, ang masasabi ko lang ay siya ay concerned person at salamat sa Panginoon sa mahabang buhay. Happy birthday, Coach Brian, and God bless you.
Hello po, good evening, Coach Bry. Sobra akong nabibless po sa buhay mo. You are such a very humble person and I admire you a lot. Gusto ko lang po ipahatid ang greetings ko sa iyo. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Coach Brian, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best on your birthday. God bless you, Coach. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang biyaya ng Diyos sa iyo. At siyempre, maambunan mo kami. Good luck, Coach. Hello. Again, happy birthday po.
Coach Bry, happy birthday. I'm wishing you a success, happiness, and a fantastic year ahead. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Coach Bry. Happy birthday. More blessing and good health.
Hi, Coach Bry. Happy birthday po. I just want to say that thank you so much po sa inyong dalawa ni Coach Mariel sa walang sawang paggagay niyo po sa akin. And hoping all your birthday wishes come true. God bless and more years to celebrate. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Coach Bry. Thank you so much at nakita kita ni Coach Mariel sa Facebook Reels. So, ikaw yung ginamit ni Lord para maging tulay ko dito sa Hyperloop Online System. I just wanna say thank you very much and happy birthday. May the Lord bless you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Coach Brian. More birthdays to come. Good health, more blessing, and maraming salamat sa Diyos at ikaw ang aking naging coach at mentor at aking hingahan ng aking mga problema. Salamat sa iyo mga payo, salamat sa iyo mga guide at lagi mo akong kinakamusta pag hindi mo ako nakikita sa social media. Maraming salamat, Coach. Sana ay hindi ka magsawa sa akin na humihingi palagi ng payo, although may katandaan ako sa iyo. Salamat na lang sa mga pinagkakaloob sa akin na tulong. Coach, again, maraming salamat at happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Thank you, Coach.
Good morning, Coach Brian. Someone say me. Today is your birthday. Wow, congratulations. You are our leader of our team. We want you to be happy and to be strong. Grabe, congratulations, Coach Brian. Binabati kita, Coach Brian Rosel Baldo de Guzman. More power. Happy birthday.
Hi, Coach Bry. Happy-happiest birthday po. May God continue to bless you para mas madami din po kayo mabless na ibang tao. Salamat din po sa pag-guide nyo sa amin and wishing you a good health, happy life, and long life, at happiness po. Both po sa inyo ni Coach Mariel. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Hi, Coach Bry. Good evening. Coach, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sana ngayong birthday nyo po ay sana laging good health and more blessings to come and also more power sa ating negosyo. Once again, Coach, happy birthday. God bless sa buong family and also sa ating community. Thank you, Coach Brian.
Happy birthday, Coach Brian! May the Lord bless you! We